The new Forms feature is an amazing tool that can be found inside of the campaign folders along with the other marketing tools to help you nurture your contacts along a journey. In principle, they allow you to make a completely customizable form that you can drop onto either your website via a shortcode or onto one of the Popcorn landing pages and give you the ability to capture that data and drop it into the CRM. So here's how you find them. I'm going to click into Popcorn, I'm going to go into a campaign folder, and then I'm going to click into the Nurture section. In here, you can see the forms all loaded up in front of you.